Hey folks, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to my 2004 GMC Envoy. We're taking a quick break from my 1970 Corvette project that you've seen on videos past because I've got an issue with my shifter. Let me show you. So I went to get in the car earlier today to go out to run some errands, and I reached down, grabbed my shifter, pull it into drive, and nothing happens. As you can see, anything I do, this thing just kind of flops around and the gears do not change. So I'm going to show you guys how to fix that. If we come underneath the car, this is on the driver's side. Here is your transmission pan, and the culprit is right here in front of us. This is the end of the shift linkage cable, or the shifter cable, and it attaches to this almost like a ball joint type connection right here on the side of the transmission. And what happens is, at least in my case, the bushing that was inside of this plastic connector just disintegrates and falls out. And then what happens? The connector detaches from the shift linkage, and the symptoms that you saw earlier, shifting the gear shift, does not change the gears. So to fix the problem, it's a very simple fix. I picked up this Dorman kit. This is a shift linkage bushing kit. The part number is 14057 for my 2004 GMC Envoy. And you can see up here it fits Ford, GM, and Saab. Now, when you go look for these shift bushing kits, there are many others. There are several that do say for Ford, GM, Saab, for Cadillac, other makes and models of cars. This is the one I'm picking up, and I will have a link down in the description below if you guys need one of these kits as well. And these are the two parts that we're going to use. The kit comes with 4 different pieces. You've got 2 orange pieces and then these clear plastic bushings. But we're going to use these orange pieces, and I'm going to show you how to put these in. Now, once we get this thing repaired, your shift linkage is going to go on the inside of the actual ball and socket, kind of on the transmission side, transmission pan side of the engine, and it's going to just connect like that. And so first thing what we're going to do is we're going to take the larger of those 2 orange pieces, and we're going to put it inside where the connection meets to the linkage. Just click it into place like so. So that larger piece is going to face the bushing, or I'm sorry, face the linkage, just like that. We're going to take the smaller of the 2 plastic pieces, gotta hold on to it, and then put it in the other side and click it into place. And I'm going to have to grab a pair of pliers just to squeeze it together a little more. And once you get both sides of the bushings clipped together inside of the cable housing, it's going to look just like this. And I've already tested this to make sure there's no interference, and everything is good to go. So hopefully this thing will hold on for quite some time. Guys, I hope this quick video was helpful. If you guys are stranded because your shifter won't go into gear, maybe it's the bushing underneath, check it out. And again, I'm using the Dorman part number 14057 to fix my shift linkage. Thanks for checking out the video. Hope it was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.